In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Gusto to pay employees. If you're a business owner or part of an HR team, you know how crucial it is to have a reliable and efficient payroll system. Gusto is a great tool for managing payroll, and today I'll show you how to navigate it effectively. First, let's get started by heading over to gusto.com. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. If you're new to Gusto, you'll need to set up an account, but for this guide, we'll assume you have one ready to go. Navigating to the website is the first step in accessing the platform where all the magic happens. Once logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. From here, you'll want to click on the Pay section. This is your main hub for processing payroll, so it's a section you'll become quite familiar with over time. By clicking Pay, you're essentially opening the door to all payroll-related tasks. After clicking on Pay, you'll be prompted to add payroll details. This is an important step, as these details will guide how employees are paid and what information is recorded. Don't worry if this seems a bit daunting at first. Gusto has a very user-friendly interface. Simply click Continue to proceed to the next steps. This action confirms that you're ready to input all necessary payroll information and ensures that you're keeping everything organized and on track. Now, onto the crucial details. This is where you can further personalize your payroll setup. You'll have the option to add another domain if your company operates under multiple domains. This feature is particularly useful for businesses with different branches or locations. Next, enter your company addresses carefully. Accurate address information is essential as it helps with tax calculations and ensures that all legal documents are correctly managed. Sharing your federal tax information is also integral to setting up payroll. This information allows Gusto to calculate taxes accurately and ensures compliance with federal regulations. Take your time to enter these details correctly. The platform is designed to guide you through the process, making it as straightforward as possible. Adding your company bank account is the next step. This is where the funds will be drawn from to pay your employees. Make sure to double-check all bank details to avoid any payment mishaps. Having the correct bank information ensures that payroll is processed smoothly and on time. Finally, set up your pay schedule. Decide how often you want to pay your employees, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Consider what works best for your company's cash flow and your employees' needs. Gusto allows you to customize this schedule, giving you flexibility and control over your payroll operations. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of setting up payroll using Gusto. Remember, the key to a successful payroll system is accuracy and consistency. By following these steps, you're ensuring that your employees are paid correctly and on time, which ultimately helps in maintaining a happy and productive workforce. Thank you for watching this guide on using Gusto to pay employees. I hope you found it helpful and feel more confident in managing your company's payroll. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore Gusto's support resources or leave your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy payroll processing!